Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the iPhone 13. So we're gonna see a new lineup throughout Apple devices, which is really kind of great thing. So I'm out here today outside to just share with you guys what's new with the lineup of Apple iPhone 13, what we're supposed to be expecting around September. So for further ado, let's get started. What's the next big thing throughout iPhone 13? Well, there's a new kind of redesign throughout the layout, especially the form factor of the phone. I'm talking about the camera. Right now we're having a diagonal camera, and another kind of stuff, there's a kind of notch here which they made it the notch to be smaller. And not only that, there are a bunch of new features when it comes to the iPhone 13. I'm talking about the newer kind of batteries capacity with more kind of specification on it, which is really kind of great thing. So you might be wondering what's going to be on this kind of iPhone 13 when it comes to specification. Well, I'm going to start with the iPhone lineup first thing first. There will be iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, both of these kind of lineup throughout this phone comes with a different variety of colors. Now, I think since we saw on the iPhone 11 and 12, the purple iPhone, it's really kind of great thing. So I think if Apple keep up with that kind of trend, I think we're gonna see a bunch of new colors throughout their lineup, which is really kind of great thing. On the color side, to expect, there's a orange color, rose gold, and there's pink. And there are common colors which we use throughout iPhone, and there will be a sunset gold and a matte black and a rose gold and a pearl, which is really kind of great thing. Another kind of stuff when it comes to the storage side, there will be a 64 GB of storage, a 128 GB of storage, a 256 GB of storage, and a 512 GB of storage, which is really kind of great. Let's talk about the pricing wise. Now, the pricing wise, it might be vary throughout the iPhone 12 pricing throughout last year up to now. There'll be slight change of pricing due to one thing: components. Now, throughout the rumors, they say that there might be a price increase or a little bit the same as iPhone 12, but who knows, it might be a little bit kind of increase because we're seeing some new specs. So if you see some new specs, that means you're getting some more new advanced features throughout the phone, which I think, yeah, for sure, components, they are playing big role throughout new phone, which is really impressive. Let's talk about what's gonna be on those kind of features. I'm talking about the smaller notch, which they try to improve throughout the iPhone 12 with a bigger notch. Right now they're keeping it very minimal notch. Another kind of stuff, we are seeing an A15 Bionic Chip, which is a new improved chip throughout the A14 Bionic Chip, which you saw last year, which is really kind of great thing. Much bigger battery capacity, which is really kind of awesome. We're getting some new sensors throughout the camera, as some of you guys know how much the LiDAR works and stuff like that. And another kind of stuff which we're gonna see throughout this kind of iPhone 13 is some new enhancement throughout the body form factor. So yeah, I think that's it. And last but not least, we are not seeing any kind of headphone jack. So for some of you guys out there thinking like there'll be a headphone jack, well, there is no headphone jack. We saw it throughout the iPhone X series up to right now iPhone 12, so there is nothing like that. Question comes, iPhone 12s or iPhone 13? So as some of you guys know how Apple keep up with that trend, if they're gonna keep with that, that means we're gonna see only iPhone 13. If they won't keep with the trend, they want to go back throughout the iPhone, the way they name it back in the days, the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, then we're gonna see the iPhone 12s throughout this kind of lineup, which is gonna be really kind of great thing. Throughout iPhone 13, we're gonna see some new kind of refresh rate throughout the screen. I understand why do Apple need a refresh rate while they usually keep things steady, keep things fluid throughout the operating system. So I think because of a lot of phones getting that kind of refresh rate, and they thought that, okay, since you guys need a refresh rate, then here we have it. And not only that, because keeps up through the way you use the phone and the way you interact through games, different apps. That's how you're gonna get refresh rate, and it's gonna be much smoother, much fluidy, because you're gonna be getting the A15 Bionic Chip, which is gonna be really good. So on the RAM side, I think yeah, it's impressive. We're gonna see like 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM, which is gonna be really kind of great thing. So yeah, that's what's up. I think the iPhone 13, let us just wait for it and see what's next, what's packed. Is it gonna be that kind of shining bright like diamond? But I think it's gonna be, yes, shining bright like diamond is not quite bad throughout their lineup, throughout iPhone, which is really kind of good thing. That's what's up, guys, about this video today. I just wanted to share with you guys what's going to be next bigger thing. So I think on September around 14th, if not 14th, it's gonna be around 24th. If not 24th, then we're gonna see around September or last day of August. We're gonna see if they're gonna say or tease anything about the next big event of Apple. So yeah, that's what's up, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.